Unit for delivery, Sir Hamnur of Cotabato City. Sir, mag-check and test tayo sa order nyo na ENC TTI Combat Master, John Wick 3. Ito yung unit, sir. Yan. Then, consumable, sir, gas and BBs nyo. Then, reloader and silicone lobe. Sir, paglagay ng bala, upside down mo yung mags, then baba mo yung mag follower. Then, yung pwesto ng bala is pa zigzag. Yan. Upside down pa din pag maglagay ng gas, sir. 5 to 8 seconds reloading. Sir, no leak ang mags. Test fire natin, sir. Firing. Sir, pag naka-open slide, baba mo lang yung mags, then slide mo yung slide. Thank you, sir.